cappuccino.
What size, sweetie?
I would like 20.
Huh?
20.
20 size also como mocha cappuccino?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, anything else for you?
No, I think that's it for now.
Huh?
I think that is it.
I cannot hear you.
I think that's going to be it for now.
That's going to be?
Yes, thank you.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
David is super crazy. So we are on our way to Disney and we're in the Starbucks drive-thru, of course, and this is what David does every time we go through a drive-thru. He's so silly. Almost there. We're parking.
It's going to be a long day, Ava. They didn't say anything about it? They didn't say anything?
No, because it's more of a stabilizer. It's not really a selfie
Oh,
stick.
gotcha.
So.
They don't want the long ones.
This one is more for to take videos. So that's what I'm doing.
Okay, so I need to take this because I have my card.
We have the same shoes.
Let's go. We need to enter over there. You want to?
To find Ava a hat. We're looking for a mini hat, but all we could find was a Mickey hat. So we literally spent like the first probably like 45 minutes trying to find her a hat, but we did find one. Yeah.
Island Mercantile over there. That's a large store. That's where you can buy the.
Loved their Halloween stuff. It was so cute.
She's getting all.
Ava!
Sweating?
Oh, you look so cute in your hat.
Put it up, póngaselo acá.
Entonces el detalle aquí.
Dame mira.
Pone esta, la otra es esta.
Let's take a look at some names that seem to have very different meanings.
Did you go on a safari today?
No.
Good. I'm excited to take you on a safari. Now look above your heads. You're going to see an animal spotting guide. That'll show you some of the animals we'll see out here on the reserve. You may not see all of them, but most of the time
Ava's
I'm
super
pretty good.
sweaty.
So just keep your eyes peeled. You never know what you're going to see. Now, for your safety,
I want to be
please
on the
remain
outside.
seated throughout the entire journey, even when I am stopped. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the truck at all times. We're going to be going through some rough brush, and a lot of the plants and roads that we're going through are pretty rough. So I don't want any of you guys getting hurt. That's all. Now, do you guys have any favorite animals that you want to see out there today? Lions? Giraffes? Zebras? Crocodiles? Cheetahs? Oh my goodness. Great at camouflage. But over to our left, we've actually found some bongos. Bongos are known as the ghosts of the forest. There are only about 100 bongos left in the entire
There's a
world.
bongo here.
That is most likely because they are found on reserves just like this one. And they're also pretty good at camouflage. A lot of the animals here in the forest are really good at that. Alright, so we're going to head out of the forest now. We're actually going to head into the Nav'vi River next. Now, you said you wanted to see some crocodiles. Yeah? Float up to the surface whenever they need a little catch breath. And yep, there's some more on our left-hand side. So if you're on my side of the truck, no worries. Does anyone know what a group of hippos is called? A float. And then on that island there, those are some pink-backed pelicans. Pink-backed pelicans will turn a pinkish color during mating season to help themselves attract a mate. Now, I said we'd see them in a while. There, just make sure we're staying seated, guys. They can crush up to 1 ton per square inch, and they can actually grow to be about 16 to 20 feet in length. So that's about as long as a giraffe is tall. They are related to the canines you would have at home.
Oh, look at that big one. Oh, you're
Look at
so
the
cute.
tail. The tail has nuts.
You're so cute, bro.
Alright, so we'll pull around and get a better view. I'll tell you about the satyrs that might jump on their back. They can just push their head back, and that'll actually help them out quite a bit. Now that little baby giraffe is actually about 6 feet tall now. So that's pretty small for giraffe standards.
Look at this over here.
Now this little tiny thing right over here by this tree, that is a springbok. Springbok are the smallest of the antelope species, and they actually get their name from the springing motion they make when they run or something. And because they eat so much, they don't really have much time to sleep. They only sleep a total of about 30 minutes a day. But they'll take that in little power naps. They'll take that like 2 minutes here, 2 minutes there. Like me on my breaks.
I'm busy right now.
Now sometimes this giraffe over here will stick his tongue out at us. Let's see. Are you going to do it, bud? No? Okay, that's fine. Well, they actually have prehensile tongues. So that means that they are able to grasp onto things with their tongues.
Ava, did you
And
see the
also means they're able
giraffe?
to lick their own
Did
eyeballs.
you see the giraffe?
Now that little baby elephant was actually born in December of 2016. She's not even 2 years old yet. The living goat in the world. They'll gain their pink color from the brine shrimp that they eat. That's very, very rich in beta carotene. So they are not born pink. They are actually born gray. Zebras. No two zebra stripes are exactly alike.
Look, you can see
It's like a
yourself.
human's fingerprint.
Look.
So once you've seen one,
Look, you can see
you've kind
yourself.
of seen that zebra for yourself.
So that was the end of the safari. Ava kind of got a little bit fussy towards the end, so I was actually surprised we didn't get to see that many animals, but I thought we would be able to see more. But it was still fun, and now we decided that we're hungry and we're just walking to see what we want to eat.
I haven't done the bank.
We're entering Pandora now.
Pandora was absolutely gorgeous. I think this is probably my new favorite part of Animal Kingdom. It's just breathtaking, and this is my first time seeing it during the day. So we just finished lunch, which was super yummy, and now we are on our way to the Nav'vi River Journey to see how long of a wait it's gonna be. The wait time hasn't been too long today, so that's a good thing. But I'm super excited to see what this ride is all about. I've heard good things about it. I've actually only been in Pandora one time last year, and it was at night. I was also pregnant, so I couldn't really ride anything, but we just kind of walked around and saw all the cool glow-in-the-dark features. And that was pretty neat, but I'm glad I'm here during the day, and it's even better because I really get to see more detail. So we'll check this out.
45 minutes? Okay. That's not bad. I mean, not compared to the other one. Do you think that's bad, David?
What?
Do you think 45 minutes is bad?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're just waiting.
Wait, what are we doing?
45-minute wait. Oh my gosh.
Okay, look. Good thing. Yeah, I like this picture. We're in the car. In Avatar land, like my home.
Look how sweaty you are. Hi, baby girl. She just woke up from her nap. You need help with that, David?
Yeah. Vieron que son míos para niños.
¿Sí?
Sí, frightening for children.
Oh, they mucho enjoy.
So after meeting back up with Ava and Liliana because she was taking her nap and didn't want to go on that river journey ride that me and David went on alone, we decided that we were going to go on something more for Ava. So we are now entering the line for A Bug's Life to check this out. So just so you know, I don't have much footage of the Bug's Life because it did not end up being a great experience for Ava. She actually ended up being really scared and crying, and we ended up leaving early.
Ava,
Ava.
you like it? Yeah, well, you come in for more, so I guess you do.
I don't need to do anything, right? Just
No,
sit
no. You want more?
there. Oh.
Okay.
But she likes it.
Oh, she wants more. Look. You want some more? Oh, I give it. Where's that other one? I guess I'll have to do this one.
This is funny.
Ava. You want more?
We're entering Dino Land now because we want to take pictures with Ava with Donald Duck, so we thought that would be super fun for her. This time around, it's mostly just walking through the park and just letting her look at everything since she can't ride too many of the rides. But definitely next time for sure, our vlog will have things more with rides and not just us walking around looking at stuff. But I just love the experience of Animal Kingdom. It's such a peaceful park. So we came across another store where they had a mini hat and they actually had her size. I don't know after how long of looking for one earlier today, but this is the one that I originally wanted. It's so cute.
no sé, dos. Esperamos. Oh, we're gonna wait.
Jaime se quiere ir.
Huh?
Pregúntale a Jaime. Yo
It's not
That completes Ava's second trip to Disney at only 6 months old. We had a lot of fun, even though it wasn't a full day of Disney. We just thought that would be too much for her at such a young age, but we had a lot of fun. The only couple downfalls were that me and Liliana didn't get to go on that dinosaur ride because it was having malfunctions, but it was okay. And secondly, we will not be going on Bugs Life again for a very long time. But I hope you guys enjoyed our first vlog, and until next time, bye.